We're so excited to invite you to our friends and family open house here at ACE.
We would love for you to come and meet our ACE family and learn about all the different career pathways and opportunities we offer here at ACE.
While you're here, sign up for a manicure, pedicure, or haircut.
Need your oil change? Sign up for that too. All services are performed by our ACE students.
Be sure to stop by the ACE food truck. Students in Culinary Arts program will be whipping up some fantastic cuisine.
And just in time for the holidays, the street market will be open for business selling items made by ACE students along with other goods and crafts made by people in our community.
Of course, we'd love for you to take a tour of our school and experience firsthand the many programs ACE offers students living in Beaufort and Jasper counties.
The ACE Friends and Family Open House is Saturday, November 5th from 9 until noon. Everyone is welcome.
For more information, please visit our website at www.bjace.org.
See you Saturday!